Well, the students of 11th class, we will read today the poem entitled Childhood, written by Marcos Nathan. The theme of this poem is that childhood is a stage of innocence in which the child believes others and loves unconditionally. It means that a child is not a hypocrite. His mind is like a slate, clean slate, and it is after his childhood that he learns these, he learns this deception and hypocrisy and other things. In this poem, the poet Marcus Nathan thinks deeply over the question of his lost childhood and tries to identify some stages of his life when his thoughts and perceptions of the world changed. Now, in the first stanza, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? In this stanza, the poet demarcates the childhood from the adulthood, and he says that when this childhood ceases, when the childhood of a person ends, now he has a logic. When he defines it, when he gives his viewpoint, but he has the reason about this, that why he thinks so that childhood ends here. He says, when did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? This is the line that is called a refrain because it comes again and again in the poem. And the line verse that comes again and again in different stanzas are called a refrain. And here he says, question, he poses the question that when did my childhood go? When it finishes. Was it the day I ceased to be 11? He says that was it the day when I attained the age of 11 and my childhood ended? Or was it the time I realized that hell and heaven? Hell and heaven is called antithesis, means two opposite words when used together in a sentence, especially in a poem. These are called, it is called antithesis, like hell and heaven, black and white, hot and cold, like this. Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven? He says that means that when I think over the world, that what is hell, why we have come, and it means that the childhood age is the age of innocence, is a careless age when the children do not usually think over the serious things. And when he starts to think over serious things, over serious topics like hell and heaven, creation of the universe, etc., and for poet, it means that a new era of the life starts, that is the adulthood, and could not be found in geography. And he says that till, and the another meaning is the another that the aspect of this is that in childhood a child does not pay attention or does not take things serious, or what he is told he believes them. But when he raises his finger, when he tries to find the logic of different mysteries or of different concepts, that is the adulthood. That is when I raise the question about the existence of hell and heaven because of their not existing in the atlas or in geography. Means that in the age when a man believes only those things which have a substantial proof, when a man starts to believe that these only things are true, then you should know, you should think that a new age has started and the childhood has finished it. This age has stopped, this age has reached at its end, and therefore could not be was that day, and therefore could not be was that day. And here in this sentence it is rationalism. Rationalism, the poet rationalizes the lost childhood when he was 11, and when he found out that hell and heaven don't exist and are not found in the geography. Here it is rationalism because the poet rationalizes the lost childhood. The other sentences we will discuss it inshallah tomorrow. Thank you.